Welcome back. This video covers the two types of grading systems you can use with TeacherAid Pro. The first is a point grading system, and the second is a standards-based grading system. Tap on the settings icon on the top right and select grades. And the first thing that shows up is the point system. These are the colors that the assignment grade will show up depending on the percent that the student gets. And you can change these by, let's say a green here is greater than 85%. If you'd like to change that to 90, simply tap on the 85 there. And I can remove the 85, change to 90. And now you can see it updates over here at the top to 90%, and then the one below range will also adjust. So you can adjust these ranges as well, if you prefer to have less colors or just a different range. The second type of assignment system you can use is standards. So I'll tap on the standards. And here you can have up to 5 standards grading. So this is best used if you have learning goals and you give students a variety of categories, perhaps like a rubric grade or some type of system like that. So here I've set up 4. The fifth one isn't used. They have the main title and abbreviated title, which is used on the seating chart, and then the percent equivalent. Simply tap on either one of those and you can edit all 3 of the values there. Alright, so I'm going to get out of here and show you now. By default, the class is set to be a point value system. You need to decide on one or the other for the class because if you change in the middle, you'll lose the grades if you switch from point to standard or vice versa. So here at the top to the left of the settings icon looks like a chalkboard with a little graph. Tap on that, and this here is your options. So right now you can see it's set for points. Categories and weighting have been just added as a new feature to the app for the point system. That is covered in a different video, so please watch that video. So I'm going to switch now to standards, and a little alert just comes up explaining how the standards works. And once I've done that and go back, I can now add a new assignment, and I'm just going to call this goal 1, let's say. So goal 1. And the points are defaulted to 100 for each assignment in the standards grading system. You can change the date. And if you have any other classes using that system, they'll show up if you want to copy the assignment to other classes. I have none right now. So I'll tap Save. And now, to give a grade for the first student, I simply tap on the blue space there. And the options come up for the standards grading. So I can say he is meeting. And again, you'll see the percent of his total grade, which now is 85%, and the color coding. And we'll choose Anna to be exceeding, and 100% there. And so that's basically how it works. You can also see at the top under goal 1, it tells you the point value, and then the average of the assignments. So right now, for the 2 students in the class, the average for this assignment is 92%. So that makes it very easy. If you want to switch, I tap on the class icon there for class settings. I switch back to points. I can do that, but I'm going to lose those standard grades. So if I go back, you'll see the grades are empty there. And for a point assignment, if you tap, you can now enter points. So I could say they have 95%, let's say. And there's a 95 out of 100. So decide what you want to use. And depending on how your school works or your class, you may want to use the point system or the standard system. All right. Hope you enjoy. Thank you very much.